Okay, so within Dropbox, we're going to go and create a new shared folder. Press next, give your folder a name, and then give it to someone to share with. Now press share. This is going to be a place where we're going to store our QR codes that get created from Integromat, just so we can reference them later, or if they ever get misplaced, we've got a store there. So now we have this, we're going to go back into Integromat, and we're going to add another step, and we're going to select Dropbox, and then we're going to upload a file. Make sure barcodes is selected, and you're going to click here to choose your folder, and make sure you can find your folder. Press add, and then select your folder name. If you want to overwrite any existing files, you can do that, but we're just going to leave it as this now. Press OK. Now add another module. Again, select Dropbox. Now select create/update a share link. Your file path will be your path lower. And scroll down and press OK. And then for the next module, we're going to go back and add Airtable, and then make sure we've got a module that goes through multiple records.